Mike McGilvary Roofing, Florida's roof age law and tile roof preservation experts. You live in South Florida and you have an aged tile roof, give us a call. We're happy to provide a free comprehensive inspection and show you what needs done on your roof. Most times, the tile roof does not need to be replaced. Most tile roofs should get about approximately 30 years. But due to slope and angle, as you can see, more water goes to certain areas. Those certain areas only make up about 10% or so of the square footage of the roof. The remaining 90% or so of the square footage should get approximately 30 years. Why replace the roof if only 10% or so needs attention? Give us a call, we'll provide a free comprehensive inspection and keep you in insurance compliance. Mike McGilvary Roofing, Florida's roof age law and tile roof preservation experts.